In the boundless theater of the universe, every star is a sun, and around many, planets spin, each carrying the potential for unimaginable stories. Among these celestial bodies is Kepler, 452b, a planet that whispers the possibility of a second Earth across the cosmic sea. This discovery lights a spark in the imagination of all who dream of distant worlds. Kepler 452b orbits a star that resembles our own sun but is older and brighter. This intriguing exoplanet lies in the habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for life to exist. The revelation of such a world challenges us to rethink our place in the universe and ponders the profound question, are we alone? Our journey to understand Kepler 452b is not merely scientific, it's a quest that tugs at the core of our human spirit. As we peer through our telescopes, we are not just observing, we are reaching out, striving to grasp the enigma of our potentially twin world. Kepler 452b orbits its star at a distance that allows for possible liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. This planet completes one orbit every 385 days, nearly similar to Earth's orbital period. Such a parallel places Kepler 452b squarely in the habitable zone of its star, akin to how Earth relates to the Sun. This exoplanet is about 60% larger in diameter than Earth, leading scientists to classify it as a super-Earth. This classification suggests a higher gravity which might affect the atmosphere's retention and geological activity. The temperature on Kepler 452b, due to its star's older age and increased brightness, is likely akin to that of a warm Earth day. Despite the similarities, life, if it exists on Kepler 452b, would face challenges unknown on Earth. The increased gravity could mean a thicker atmosphere, possibly leading to intense greenhouse effects. Such a scenario paints a picture of a world that is familiar yet profoundly alien, where life, if present, must adapt to conditions that are Earth-like, yet distinctly different. Though Kepler 452b is often dubbed Earth's twin, the differences between the two are significant and intriguing. For one, Kepler 452b's larger size suggests a stronger gravitational pull. This could mean denser atmosphere and higher pressures at the surface, factors that could influence the types of life forms that might evolve. Moreover, the star Kepler 452b orbits is about 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. This advanced age implies that the star is entering a phase where it could start to expand and increase its luminosity, potentially leading to harsher radiation at the planet's surface. Such conditions could challenge the survival of any existing life forms and impact the planet's climate stability. Additionally, the extended exposure to cosmic radiation and solar winds could strip away the atmosphere over time, threatening any potential habitats. The mysteries of whether life has sustained or could sustain under such circumstances add layers of complexity to our understanding of habitable conditions beyond our solar system. The unveiling of Kepler 452b in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope marked a significant milestone in exoplanetary science. This discovery was a result of monitoring changes in the brightness of the planet's host star as it passed in front, a method known as the transit technique. This allowed astronomers to gather crucial data about the planet's size and orbit. Kepler 452b's discovery ignited excitement across the globe, enhancing our understanding of potentially habitable worlds beyond our own. It serves as a benchmark for comparing other exoplanets and evaluating their capacity to host life. The excitement surrounding this discovery has also spurred a renewed interest in space exploration and the search for life in the universe. The data collected by the Kepler telescope provides scientists with invaluable insights into the conditions on Kepler 452b. Such information is crucial for future missions planned to explore these distant worlds more closely. The ongoing study of Kepler 452b continues to influence the strategic planning of missions that might one day travel to this intriguing exoplanet. The curiosity about Kepler 452b sets the stage for future interstellar missions. With advancements in technology, the next few decades could see probes or even manned missions directed towards this captivating world. Such explorations could answer fundamental questions about the atmosphere, surface conditions, and potential biosignatures of life. Imagine a future where humans could witness the sunrise on Kepler 452b firsthand. The potential to experience such a phenomenon drives the scientific community to develop technologies that could traverse the vast distances between stars. The exploration of Kepler 452b could serve as the gateway to understanding numerous other worlds that may be scattered across the galaxy. The implications of discovering life or viable living conditions on Kepler 452b are profound. Such findings could reshape our understanding of life in the universe, highlight our shared cosmic heritage, and perhaps guide us in protecting our own planet better. The journey to Kepler 452b isn't just about reaching another world, it's about expanding the horizons of human experience and knowledge. Kepler 452b represents more than just a point in space. It symbolizes the limitless possibilities of the cosmos. This exoplanet challenges us to dream big, to look beyond our celestial borders, and to contemplate a future where humanity stretches its bounds to other worlds. As we stand on the brink of potential interstellar travel, Kepler 452b beckons us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the stars. The exploration of such worlds promises to illuminate unknown aspects of the universe, bringing us closer to answering age-old questions about our existence and possibly finding new homes in the cosmos. The journey to Kepler 452b and its like is not just a pursuit of knowledge, but a testament to our unyielding spirit to explore and understand the infinite.